Mrs. Abdul had some blue and red buttons in the ratio 4:7 at first. After buying 29 blue buttons and 8 red buttons, she had as many blue buttons as red buttons, meaning at the end, the number of blue and red, they are equal to each other. How many buttons did she have at first? Now, to solve this question, we can draw a model for ourselves. For blue, we have 4 units. Okay, so we have this 4 units there. And then for the red one, slightly longer at 7 units. Okay. Now, what happens when you buy 29 blue buttons? Blue buttons and 8 red buttons. Is that at the end your models should meet? Okay, it should meet because you have as many blue as red buttons in the end. So can you see from the model system that the difference between 29 and 8 represents these 3 units? So 3 units is equivalent to 29 minus 8. 3 units is equivalent to 21. 1 unit can be found. 21 divided by 3, and that is 7. How many buttons did she have at first? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 7, right? 7 units for the red. So let's write that down. 4 plus 7 is 11 units. So what is the numerical value of 11 units? 11 times 7. Final answer, 77 buttons at first.